Proper care of your PelPro unit is essential to ensure peak, sustained performance. Your satisfaction with the quality and performance of this unit directly relates to your discipline in cleaning and maintaining it. And most importantly, only clean or perform maintenance on your unit when it is off, cool, and unplugged. Clean and inspect the burn pot every day. Clinkers, or heavy ash deposits, can build up in the burn pot and decrease airflow. To reduce these clinkers, use quality pellets and keep your burn pot and unit clean. To clean inside the unit, use a heavy-duty, flat-edged tool to aggressively scrape away deposits in the pot and holes. Also, brush ash from the convection air tubes and firebox into the ash pan. Occasionally, you should remove the burn pot and bring it to a work area for a deeper cleaning. Cleaning the glass can happen as needed, and as always, only when the unit is off and cool. And be aware that burning the unit for extended periods with dirty glass may cause permanent staining. Also, never use an abrasive glass cleaner. Lastly, use this opportunity to inspect the door latch and window seals to ensure they seal tightly and are in good condition. The following maintenance tasks are to be performed after burning every 1 ton of pellets or every season, whichever comes first. And again, always ensure your unit is shut off, cool, and unplugged before removing any side panels for maintenance. Allow your hopper to completely empty, wipe down the hopper sides with a dry cloth, and vacuum all pellets from the bottom of the hopper. Clean the airflow chambers and the ash pan. Remove the burn pot and thoroughly clean. Remove the back fire brick or steel panels to expose 2 ash traps. Brush and vacuum the entire unit and both sides of the fire brick or steel panels with a filtered shop vac. And finally, reinstall the components in the same order you removed them. At least once a year, thoroughly clean your exhaust and venting system. And again, shut off, let cool, and unplug the unit before performing any maintenance. To clean the combustion fan, first, remove the left side panel from the unit. Next, locate and disconnect the electrical leads coming from the fan. Remove the fasteners securing the fan housing to the unit, then carefully remove the combustion fan and the attached exhaust port from the unit and bring it into a work area. With a soft brush and vacuum, gently clean the fan blades and interior housing. If you have access to a compressor or leaf blower, bring the fan assembly outside and gently blow any remaining ash from the fan and housing. Inspect the combustion fan gasket and replace it if necessary. Reinstall the fan assembly with the gasket material in the reverse order of removal. Then, finish this task by reconnecting the fan and sensor leads and reattaching the left side panel. Now it's time to clean the convection fan. Start by removing the right side panels of the unit. Disconnect the electrical connections for the fan and remove the fasteners holding the fan on the rear of the firebox. Remove the fan, and be careful not to damage the gasket. Bring the fan into a work area and gently brush and vacuum any dust from inside and around the fan blades and housing. If you have access to an air compressor or leaf blower, bring the fan outside and gently blow any remaining loose dust from the fan and housing. Reassemble the fan in reverse order and then reattach the right side panel. PelPro highly recommends using a top vent adapter or T vent section for easier cleaning. Depending on the size of your vent, use a 3 or 4 inch pellet vent cleaning brush and rod kit. These are available at most hardware stores, and just follow the instructions when getting started. Also inspect and clean your vent cap completely. Proper care of your PelPro unit is required for reliable peak performance. Be sure to not skip any maintenance tasks. If you are uncomfortable performing any of these routines, contact and hire a local hearth dealer or chimney sweep. And please note, This video is intended for quick visual reference. Be sure to read and understand your owner's manual for complete cleaning and maintenance instructions.